Well, howdy folks. Charlie with Typewriter Justice here, and that is one of the best little ultra portables ever made, my opinion. That is a 1977 Olympia SF DeLuxe. And I know there's got to be at least one person out there that's going, but wait, Charlie, isn't that a Traveler? That's what I thought too. That's what I've always called them. Because, man, the SF normally looks a little bit different. So I thought. And then I looked at the instructions. Because, you know, in case of emergency, you read the instructions. Right. Olympia SF series. And I know the Traveler's part of the SF family, but they're specifically calling this an SF DeLuxe in here. And look, it's even got the picture that looks exactly like the machine. So I think we've got the right manual. Touch adjuster on the Deluxe only. And we have the touch adjuster right there. So all you heavy-handed typists can set it how you want it, and all you light finger people can set it how you want it, and it's gonna perform just fine, no matter what. So, SF DeLuxe, who'da thunk it? I didn't know. You know, learn something new every day, I guess. So this thing is, you know, I don't know if it's just because it was well taken care of, or because it's from 1977, or what. Maybe it was just never used very much, but this darn thing is, like, brand new. There's hardly a scratch on it. Magnificent condition. And it works just as good as it looks. I mean, the feet are still grippy, the platen is still supple and soft and grippy and bouncy, and the feed rollers, well, they grip like bulldogs, darn it. And man, it types like a dream. It's got a nice light touch at the keys, kind of bouncy the way the SF is, and kind of quick, a little bit snappy. And to prove it, do a little type test. 1977 Olympia SF DeLuxe, serial number 3316960. Typing 11 characters to the inch in Pica, in Elite, Schnarf. With a brand new ribbon in there, because that's what I do. On the black setting, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Very pretty print. Go for the red setting here on all caps, because why not? Now is the time for all good men to come to the aid of their country. Pretty darn snazzy, if I do say so myself. Nice little machine. Perfect alignment on the caps all the way across. Oop. Caps and caps lock, I should say. It's about as good as they get. So there you go, 1977 Olympia SF DeLuxe. Lightweight, heavy duty. Later.